Nature's precision is unmatched. In the wild, survival is decided in a heartbeat. Watch closely, because this happens in seconds. The golden hour paints the landscape in a fragile silence. High above, a master of the skies circles with predatory intent. The golden eagle, its eyes 10 times sharper than a human's, lock onto a tiny ripple in the stillness below. Every feather is tuned to the wind, waiting for the perfect moment to break the peace. Gravity is about to become an ally. Then, the transition. With wings tucked, it enters a high-speed vertical dive, cutting through the air like a feathered arrow. The tension peaks as the surface nears. Strike! With terrifying power, talons pierce the water, claiming what belongs to the predator. Rising from the spray, the eagle claims its prize. Water droplets shimmer like diamonds against its powerful wet wings. It is the ultimate display of grace and lethality. A cycle that repeats in the relentless, beautiful rhythm of the wild.